Thinking about putting your rental property into an LLC? Not only does it offer liability protection, but it can also provide significant tax advantages. The best part? Setting up an LLC for your rental property is easier than setting up a corporation. Let's break down the whole process in 5 steps. We're eForms and we break down tax, legal, and business matters into simple, actionable steps. To get the exact form you need to start creating your LLC, click the link in the description below. Let's jump in with step 1. Choose a name. The first step is to pick a name for your LLC that's not already in use. It's important to have a unique name that reflects your property or business identity. Check with your state's business registry to see if your preferred name is available. This name will be used on all legal documents, so choose wisely. Once you've settled on a name, you're ready to move on to the next step, which is step 2, create an operating agreement. Next, download our operating agreement using the link below. We have a specific version for each state. This document is critical, especially for rental property owners. It outlines who owns the LLC, how it will be managed, and what happens in various scenarios like the sale of the property or the death of an owner. Even if your state doesn't require you to file this agreement, having one reduces liability as a landlord. Without an operating agreement, you risk leaving yourself personally liable if anything goes wrong with the property. Step 3, file your articles of organization. Now it's time to file your articles of organization. This is the critical paperwork that establishes your LLC with the state. This form can have different names depending on where you live: certificate of organization, certificate of formation, etc. Our main LLC page has links to state-specific downloads for these. You'll need to provide the following details: your LLC's name, primary business address, the address of your rental property, the business purpose, a registered agent, the duration of the LLC, which can be indefinite, and the date of formation. Now for step 4, pay the filing fees. Be ready to pay a filing fee when you submit your articles of organization. The fees vary from state to state, ranging from as little as $45 to as much as $500. Some states may also require annual fees to keep your LLC active. It might seem like an extra expense, but it's an investment in protecting your rental property. Think of it like buying insurance for your business. Small cost, big peace of mind. Step 5, transfer your property into the LLC and decide on taxation. Now, here's the critical part: transferring your rental property into the LLC. This usually involves drafting and recording a deed that officially moves ownership from you personally to the LLC. Keep in mind that this step might come with additional fees, like transfer taxes or mortgage lender fees if you have an existing mortgage on the property. Also, update your insurance policies to reflect the new ownership under the LLC's name. And finally, choose a tax classification. By default, you'll be taxed as a sole proprietor, meaning your rental income and expenses will flow through your personal tax return. But you could also elect to be taxed as an S Corp or a C Corp, depending on your financial goals. Ready to get started? Click on the link in the description below for an official LLC template. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.